In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the steps to create a student choice refund. To begin, sign into MyValley using your personal username and password. Select Student Choice Refund from the My Links drop-down menu. This will redirect you to Nelnet, our business partner site. On the main screen, you will see a link to Manage Refunds. Select Manage Refunds. You will see your current refund method along with any changes that have been made to your profile. To edit your refund method, select Edit Refund Method. You can receive your refund in 3 different ways: through a deposit to a checking or savings account, as a reloadable debit card, or as a paper check, which is the default option. Choose which refund method you would like to use and enter the required information. Then select Save. You will be returned to the refund method homepage, which will display the refund method you've selected. You can return to this page at any time to change your refund method using the same process.